I think what makes a good fabricator is a person who has the ability to see their project ahead of time and know the steps necessary to get from point A to point B. You have to be a good problem solver because essentially, no matter what project you're working on, you have a problem. You don't have whatever you're trying to achieve and you need to get there.
They need to have a certain amount of artistic ability to be able to envision their project before it's done. They really need to be open to learning new ways of doing things, solving new challenges.
You know, some of the old school ways of doing things are cool and they're neat to see, but a lot of times what can mean the difference between either getting a job or completing a job is having the right tool to finish the task efficiently and also to the best that you can possibly do it.
Trick-Tools started with passion for racing, motorsports, and we started with one tool. We started with a tube bending machine, and the goal was to help fabricators be more efficient, more productive in their job, to be able to do it quicker and better at the same time. It's really important for us to listen to what our customers are asking for and to adjust our company to what their needs are. So we're just constantly searching out high quality solutions for the challenges that they're facing.
Our job here isn't to sell the customer the most expensive tool. We're here to help them decide what is the best tool for their needs, and that way they can take their fabrication to the next level.
A lot of companies only have one line of equipment to offer. We know that not everybody can be good at every single thing, so we have sourced tools from over 100 manufacturers and try to bring the best of each category to our customers and make it available in one place.
Our no junk guarantee basically means tools that we would be happy to own ourselves, that we've tested, proven out, and not only back with a company guarantee, but more of a personal guarantee.
We try to choose the best products on the market, so that way we have high quality tools for our customers, best value that they can get, and make sure that they're just going to last.
We really believe that a long-lasting tool is a great investment, something that you'll enjoy using and can really help take your skills to the next level.
It's the ability to show people what good high-quality tools can do. I mean, it's a pretty cliche statement that you have a high-quality tool, but when you actually use something that was made with the utmost quality in mind to last a long time and to get a job done the same over and over and over, I think that's the thing that here at Trick-Tools we focus on that, and to really give and provide the best solutions to somebody that not only gets one job done but can get many jobs done after that.